So today we are going to build an automation to send auto proposal. So this is a simple automation that I'm going to make here. So if you can see here, I built this automation where somebody is submitting the proposal and that we are converting that proposal into proper format. Then we are giving the message to AI what we want, and then AI just giving that message. Then we just convert that message into the proper we are creating the Google Docs in our system. Then we are just enter that information from OpenAI ChatGPT model to the Google Docs, and then we're downloading that file and then sending that email. Let's build it from scratch, step by step. Name it as a auto proposal. So first we start with the form trigger node. You may have a webhook. You can start with the webhook as well if you have external form like a Google form or type form or Tally or something external. You can connect with the webhook, but right now I will just use the inbuilt N8N form, that is N8N form, and we'll just have on new N8N form submission. So let's name it client proposal system. So let's start from the scratch. So I will create company name would be limited. Project scope is automate the purchase order upload process from Google Sheet to ERP, Google Sheet to Tally ERP, including automatic email alerts to the finance team and supplier payment reminders and weekly MIS report generation. This is my project scope. For this, I have budget of 1 lakh rupees, and timeline should be it should be done in the 3 weeks. And email address I will put mine because I want you to show how the final output look like. So this is my final email. Let's submit the form and check the responses. Now you can see here is the output, the form, client name, company name, project scope, budget, timelines in a week, email address, submitted at, and format mode. Now this data I want to make it more cleaner, right? So for that I will use the set node. So I will just take the client name here, company name here, project scope here, budget here. I need a budget. Maybe timeline. Yeah, I will take the timeline, and I will take the email. Okay, let's execute the step now. So I got the information here. So I will add the open AI node. So I will add open AI node. Let's say message model, and from that I will just I have already connected my accounts here. And now next is I will message model. I will choose the 4.1. Let's choose the 4.1. Now add a prompt. I will choose as a system. Write a detailed proposal with the following details: client name, this must be the user. We'll add the system. and execute the step. Let's so I will get and this information like so it's look good. We just add one more step, that is markdown to better formatting. Sorry. Added markdown. So what is markdown is converting boring text into something which is more professional, look clean and easy to read format, like making it bold, making it italic and all this thing. So let's add the next step. After getting information we need to create and Google Docs, right? So how do I create Google Docs? There is a Google Docs node. So I will just take that Google Doc node. I will create a document first and then add information in that document later. So let's create document. My drive, I already added the Google Docs account. Edit field, company name. Let's execute the step. Let's execute the step. Now I got ID for document is created. So Google Docs is created. Now we'll add the information inside that Google Docs account. Let's add one more Google Docs. This time we'll update a document. So let's take the ID and let's take the text from the markdown. Remaining field, keep it as it is. Just execute the step, and this is the document ID which is has a content inside. So what next step would be? We need to download that. So how do I download? I will just add Google Drive, download file. So I'm just converting that into the PDF format. Okay. So our file is in a PDF format, and now we'll send that file to the client who send us the proposal. The message to the person who sent us the request for the proposal. True. Company name, the message, execute the step. So it's sent, but we want to have an attachment, right? So we'll just add an attachment data. You can check the attachment like proposal, scope of work, budget, timelines, final deliveries, and all the information is come. So this one is the final